Millionaires don't buy motorhomes like this to escape life. They buy them to carry their lifestyle forward, without compromise. This motorhome isn't designed for camping weekends or temporary trips. It's built for people who expect stability, privacy, and comfort wherever they go. And that expectation starts long before you step inside. It starts with how this vehicle moves. Underneath this motorhome is a heavy-duty, advanced suspension system engineered to handle extreme weight while maintaining smooth, controlled ride quality. Electronically controlled air suspension continuously adjusts itself in real time, automatically leveling the vehicle and absorbing road imperfections before they ever reach the cabin. Whether the road is perfectly smooth or uneven and unpredictable, the suspension keeps the body composed and balanced. This system reduces body roll, minimizes vibration, and maintains stability at speed. For a vehicle of this size, that level of control is essential. Without it, the interior would feel unsettled and noisy. With it, everything inside feels calm, quiet, and solid. This suspension is the invisible luxury, the reason the interior feels refined instead of restless. From the outside, the motorhome carries a confident but restrained presence. The design avoids unnecessary flash. Dark exterior tones, clean lines, and a long, uninterrupted silhouette give it a discreet, high-end character. Black-tinted windows add privacy while reinforcing the feeling that this motorhome is built for serious travel, not display. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels realistic and intentional. This isn't a concept interior meant to impress at a show. It feels like a production motorhome designed for people who live on the road. The layout is compact but comfortable, with no wasted space and no exaggerated furniture. The color palette is calm and balanced. Soft beige surfaces and warm gray upholstery create a relaxed environment, while matte black trims add definition and contrast. The lighting is warm and controlled, designed to make the space feel comfortable throughout the day without being harsh or dramatic. The lounge area is compact, practical, and welcoming. Instead of oversized seating, a single L-shaped sofa runs along one wall, keeping the layout open and efficient. Cushions and matching tones add comfort without cluttering the space. The seating feels designed for real use, relaxing, eating, or working, not just for looks. In front of the sofa, a small adjustable table provides flexibility. It works equally well for meals, laptop use, or casual downtime. A simple flower vase adds a subtle touch of warmth, keeping the space human without feeling decorative. The central walkway remains clear, allowing easy movement through the motorhome. Black-tinted windows with integrated blinds surround the lounge, maintaining privacy while still allowing natural light during the day. Moving into the kitchen, the design becomes more functional and focused. This is a straight, compact galley kitchen built exactly the way high-end motorhomes are meant to be built. Beige cabinetry runs cleanly along one wall, paired with a matte black countertop that feels durable and understated. Everything is integrated seamlessly: the induction cooktop, the sink, and the storage. Nothing feels added on or awkwardly placed. Under-cabinet lighting provides focused illumination for cooking while also adding warmth to the overall space. A small fold-out dining table is built directly into the cabinetry, creating a proper dining setup without permanently occupying space. Seating tucks neatly underneath when not in use, keeping the walkway clear. It's a smart solution that balances comfort with practicality. Further inside, the motorhome reveals a dedicated office cabin, and this is where its purpose becomes clear. This isn't a lounge conversion or a temporary desk setup. It's a proper workspace designed for productivity on the road. A fixed desk is integrated into the wall, finished in matte black to reduce glare. Overhead cabinets and side drawers provide storage for documents and equipment. A single ergonomic executive chair is positioned directly at the desk, offering real support for long working sessions. Lighting in the office is layered and intentional. Soft ambient lighting keeps the space comfortable, while a focused task light ensures visibility without strain. A black-tinted side window with an integrated blind allows natural light while maintaining privacy. This is a space built for focus. The dressing area feels private and efficient. Full-height cupboards line the space, with some doors partially open to reveal hanging clothes inside. Warm LED lighting inside the wardrobes keeps everything visible and organized. Shelves and drawers provide additional storage, while a slim vanity shelf with a softly backlit mirror adds everyday convenience. Despite being compact, The dressing area never feels cramped. Every element has a clear purpose, and the layout allows easy movement through the space. The rear, the bedroom feels calm, cozy, and grounded. A low-profile island bed sits at the center, designed for comfort without overwhelming the room. Soft beige bedding and a warm gray upholstered headboard create a relaxed, inviting atmosphere. Storage is integrated thoughtfully. Slim wardrobes and overhead cabinets provide space without making the room feel heavy. Black-tinted windows with blackout curtains ensure privacy and restful sleep. No matter where the motorhome is parked, lighting in the bedroom is soft and layered. Indirect ceiling lighting creates a gentle glow, while a backlit headboard and subtle reading lights allow you to adjust the mood easily. The result is a bedroom that feels like a real place to rest, not a gimmick or a pod. The bathroom continues the same realistic design language. Compact but complete, it includes a separate shower, a sink vanity, and a toilet arranged efficiently. Light stone and beige surfaces keep the space bright, while black fixtures add contrast. Warm lighting makes the bathroom feel comfortable and refined rather than clinical. Up front, the cockpit reinforces the sense of control and confidence. The driver's area is familiar and functional, with a production-style dashboard, comfortable seats, and excellent visibility through the large windshield. Everything feels solid and well integrated, reminding you that this motorhome is built to be driven long distances with ease. Taken as a whole, this motorhome is about balance. Advanced suspension delivers stability and comfort. The exterior remains discreet and confident. The interior stays compact, practical, and refined, and it's designed for people who want their lifestyle to move with them, without lowering their standards. Here's the real question. Could you live and work in a motorhome like this? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more realistic luxury motorhomes, and tell me which part of this interior impressed you the most.